In this video, I'm going to show you a device that will help you get your TV mounted closer to the wall. Now, if you mount your TV on the wall, you'll notice it probably sticks out about 3 inches, and it's usually because of the electrical cord. So you take your cord to your TV, plug it into the outlet, and you have all this cord here sticking out. So that's about as close to the wall that you can get your TV. This is just a standard receptacle. You have your faceplate over here. But there's a device called a recessed outlet. Now this is a dual outlet. They also make them in a single. I'll give you the Amazon link in the description. These run about $6. This is what it looks like. It has a built-in faceplate. Wires in just like a regular receptacle. Like I said, you can get these with dual or the single one in the center. So when you plug in your TV, see how much of a difference that is? I've got a tape measure here, and that's about 3/4 of an inch. So if we compare this one to a standard receptacle, I have about almost 2 inches. So if you have your TV flat up against the wall, you're like this. Or if you have this recessed outlet, you can get that TV closer to the wall. Your TV would be about this close. You can buy these at Home Depot, Amazon. I did not see them at Walmart, but you can also get them at Menards and Lowe's. Like I said, I'll put the Amazon link in the description. And if you have Amazon Prime, you're going to get this shipped to your door in 2 days anyway. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.